how many days you have left, and how not to waste them. Life is short, but most people live like they've got unlimited time. The average person lives around 30,000 days. If you're 30, you've already burned through over 11,000. Those are gone, forever. You think, I'll do it someday. But someday is one of the most dangerous words in existence. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to stop wasting your most valuable asset. Not just how to manage time, but how to truly live it. Lesson 1. Time moves in your mind. Ever wonder why childhood summers felt endless? That's not just nostalgia, it's neuroscience. Your brain perceives time based on novelty. As a kid, everything was new, so time felt slower. As an adult, routines blur days together, making years vanish. The fix? Seek novelty. Try new things. Time slows down when your brain has more to record. Lesson 2. Manage priorities, not just tasks. Most people manage tasks, not priorities. But filling your day with check marks isn't the same as moving forward. True productivity is about identifying what really matters and doing that first. Lesson 3. Relationships are everything. At the end of life, people don't wish for more meetings. They wish for more moments with people they love. Relationships compound like interest. The more you invest, the richer they get. Lesson 4. Rethink career and growth. Career ladders are outdated. Growth today looks more like climbing a jungle gym, sideways, diagonally, in unpredictable paths. The key isn't one straight climb, but building skills and connections that open new doors. Lesson 5. Energy over time. You don't just manage time, you manage energy. A 20-minute focused sprint beats 3 distracted hours. Guard your energy like treasure. Protect sleep, movement, and nutrition. They multiply the hours you actually use well. Lesson 6. Learning and growth. Lifelong learners win. Skills expire faster than ever. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and you'll stay ahead. Lesson 7. Emotional intelligence. EQ beats IQ in most of life. Knowing how to read people, manage emotions, and build trust often matters more than raw brainpower. Lesson 8. Redefining wealth. Wealth isn't just money. True wealth is time freedom, health, relationships, and purpose. Money is fuel, but not the destination. Lesson 9. Living creatively. Creativity isn't a luxury, it's survival. In a world of automation, your edge is imagination, play, and original thought. Lesson 10. Personal energy. Protect your attention like it's gold. Energy leaks through constant notifications, endless news, toxic people. Audit what drains you and cut ruthlessly. Lesson 11. Social capital. Success isn't just what you know, it's who you know. Real relationships aren't built overnight. They're grown over time through shared experiences and trust. Lesson 12. Mental models. Mental models are shortcuts for decision-making. Learn a few, like opportunity cost, inversion, compound interest, and you'll see the world more clearly. Lesson 13. Designing your life. Don't drift, design. Most people let life happen to them, but intentional design creates meaning. You can prototype habits, relationships, careers like products, testing, iterating, improving. Final thoughts. Life is short but wide. You don't control how many days you get, but you control how alive each day feels. Make them count.